Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Topical Talks. Today we will show you how to add Midjourney bot to Discord server in mobile. Before getting started, make sure to subscribe our channel Topical Talks and click the bell icon for more updates. First of all, make sure to log in with your Discord account and then open your Google Chrome and type discord.gg/midjourney. Select this website. This will take to official accept invite, and this will take you to Midjourney official Discord server. And then from here, click on announcement. Right, click on there, and from here, click on Midjourney bot. Click on add app. Select your server. Click on continue. Click on authorize and click on confirm. Prove that you're a human. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one.